Hello there.
All right, so this is me and Ivan. This is our first impression video for the new DJI Neo.
We're coming up to the court.
Yeah, so wait, let me introduce you. This is my son, Ivan Drew, and we were testing the new DJI Neo together. So this is 30 minutes, I think, after we got the drone. So, Ivan, what did you use to control this drone?
In my head.
Your head. No, I mean, the drone doesn't need a controller for it to fly, right?
Yeah, you just use the follow feature.
Yeah, it has a follow feature.
A rocket feature?
Yeah, we'll get to that, but we'll show them what the rocket feature is. But here, look, I'm
Let's
running.
just run around first.
Yeah, so in this video, you see that we're just running around and, having the drone follow us.
Having fun.
So this is the main feature. Now, to have it land, you just need to put your hand underneath it, then it will cup. So Ivan Drew made it fly on his hand as well. In this video,
is the next clip.
yeah, this is now following Ivan Drew.
We're going somewhere special
Yeah.
where I like.
Yeah,
After a few minutes.
Ivan's basically testing the drone here, running around. And it's
Seeing how
nice,
fast
yeah.
it goes.
Whoop! He was a little bit scared because he thought it was gonna bump him, right?
You see that I'm very happy.
Yeah, it's amazing. And a little scared, right?
Yeah.
Were you a little scared with it?
Yeah, I guess so.
Because it thought it was going to hit you?
This feels like a documentary.
It is. What are you talking about?
Okay.
We're documenting the first flight of the drone. Remember?
Okay.
So it is a documentary, Ivan. So, do you think you can fly this drone by yourself?
Well, how about the follow feature?
Yeah, this is what we're doing right now, right? It's
Yeah.
the follow feature.
Well,
You're
we're
running
gonna-
around like crazy.
We're gonna use the manual mode soon.
Yeah. But we didn't, not in this video, maybe in a
Yeah,
different video. We can try using the manual mode. I'll let Ivan fly the Neo. What do you mean?
Never mind then.
Just focus on
I
the
know,
video.
I know.
Yeah. Here's Ivan testing the drone.
It
So-
follows my head up and down.
Yeah, so it actually tracks your face, I think. So there you go.
And my back.
Yeah.
My back.
It recognizes you and active tracks, it follows you wherever you go.
It's amazing how it's very stable. But
Yeah.
only has the camera on front.
It only has like a one-axis gimbal.
Also, it can't block things on the backwards.
What do you mean block things in the back? Yeah,
What if
midland.
there was
So
a
what is
car?
this feature, Ivan?
This feature was
That's a droney.
the droney.
That's a droney. So it's going up, but it only goes at default. It only goes out to like 4 meters, then goes back to you. That 4 meters as well.
Now let's go to a different place.
Yeah,
Maybe-
there's another feature here coming up. This is what you call a rocket, the rocket. So again, this only goes up to I think
4
10.
meters?
No, this is a little bit higher. I think it was 8 meters when we tested it out. Then it
That's
goes
a-
back to you. So it records 2 clips at the same time. One going up and one going down.
Okay.
Then this one is the circle.
Or rotate.
Yeah, rotate, the circle feature.
It's rotating on my dad.
Yeah, because I was the one who made it fly. So, yeah. So it just goes around you 2 meters away from you.
And then stops.
Yeah. So all of those were like the default features. Now here I am using my phone. I'm capturing the drone while Ivan
Or me.
while following Ivan Drew.
I'm going to the playground.
Yeah, Ivan's
See
going to.
if it works trying to block things.
I mean, if it
Not-
can avoid some of
Yeah,
the obstacles,
avoid
right? And Ivan, I think, wants to flex it with the other kids.
And
I think you were flexing, Ivan.
I just thought that I wanted to go to the playground.
Were you not flexing? I think you were flexing.
I didn't know people were there.
You're right.
I was just-
But that's okay. That's okay.
Actually,
He just finds the drone very amusing because it kind of follows you.
Jay, it's also
Yeah.
going up when you jump.
Ivan, focus. Don't bother with my skin.
okay,
So here is Ivan again testing the drone, going around,
Going with other
running all
kids,
around, looking at the other kids.
seeing if
Seeing
it's
the
still
drone is still follow.
follow.
So it actually still follows him around, even in the playground with a lot of other
Should I
obstacles.
have tried the slide?
Oh, maybe next time. Let's see if what it'll do.
Okay,
If
maybe
it's gonna go
tomorrow.
in.
Hardcore hobbies, PH.
Yeah. So, yeah, Ivan's testing it in, jumping around. Yeah, this is a little bit long, this part. So maybe we'll just cut it a little short.
Yeah,
Yeah, and that's how you land the drone. Whoops, almost fell.
scary.
That's okay. What's that? That's the
Oh,
that's the rocket. Oh yeah, I took a video.
oh
We
the
did the
rock.
rocket on the drone. It went up.
Yeah. Oh, put your hand
So that
underneath
was
it.
the rocket feature that we tested. It was going
Yeah, okay na.
down.
And now it
Yeah, now it's gonna land on Ivan's hand. He counts 1, 2, 3, and then it lands on his hand. That's simple. So this is the last part. So we were testing it more, but we were now going home now to see if it can actually avoid some of the obstacles along the way.
but we didn't use any of
Which one?
the playground obstacles.
Yeah, it's just we did the follow me again. So it's following me and Ivan going back home.
Oh,
So this part of the playground is a little. There's some poles over there. It kind of went a little bit close to that pole, but it was able to avoid it.
because it's
There's an
short.
yeah, because whatever it sees on its camera, it can avoid actually. There's another pole here where it kind of got a little close, but it was able to avoid it like that. So
Yeah.
it knows if there's like a little obstacle
But only in the front.
only in the front because it only has one camera. It doesn't have any.
So technically one sensor.
Correct. Other drones would have like sensors in the front, on the back, and then the bottom. This
But
only
that
has
would be expensive.
yes, like the Mini 4 Pro, the newer DJI drones. The other new DJI drone anyway. That this was released after that. That was older. Now here we're trying to see if it's gonna go through some of those obstacles here. I intentionally went there, but it was able to avoid that big concrete post,
Or pillar.
yeah, and pillar. And we're gonna try to go inside our house,
Yeah.
and we were going to test if it can actually come inside the door.
Yeah, because
Because
that's a small space.
Yeah, that's a small space.
Just
We want
like
to
1
see if it
meter.
can actually fit inside, and it did.
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly, it's very good. So I stopped Ivan there. I want to test it to go inside our house. Let's see if it's gonna go inside our house.
Kind of concerned.
Yeah, but actually, it
And
even
also,
knew
Mom.
how to stop and say and that's it. And
Bye.
that's it. Bye. That's our first impressions of the DJI Neo. It's a very good first drone. You don't really need a controller. So you could either get the fly more combo, which we did. So next video we will test it with the controller, and
Do it manually.
yeah, and fly it manually. I'm gonna teach Ivan how to fly the drone.
Hardcore hobbies.
Yes.
PH.
Hardcore Hobbies PH.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Hit like and subscribe.
Wow, YouTuber.